Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Electrolux fridge. So in order to reset it, you just have to first disconnect the refrigerator from the power source. Then you need to unplug the fridge, ensures any electrical faults or errors are cleared. Wait for about 5 minutes before unplug it back, and this downtime helps the system to reset. You can even reconnect the refrigerator to the power supply and make sure that your plug is into the functioning outlet to avoid any further issues. Once it is powered back on, you need to turn the temperature regulator clockwise to a medium setting. This is important for maintaining proper food storage temperatures. If your refrigerator has a control panel, ensure all settings are set as desired. If needed, you can adjust the settings for your specific needs. So with the help of these steps, you can easily reset your Electrolux refrigerator. But for the reason you are resetting your refrigerator, if that doesn't get fixed, what you can do is you can simply come to Electrolux website, and here you can just hover over to support and click on the contact us option. From here you can directly contact to the customer service of Electrolux, and you can just ask them the solution of the problem that you are facing, and you can even ask them for more reset options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.